What's going on, everybody? This is Kurt Rice at Kurt Rice Baseball. How's everybody doing? It's fine. Early Friday morning. It's like 5 a.m., a little after 5 a.m. here. Hey, I had a lot of people asking me, you're pretty much an expert on these All Stars. Do you know how to relace them? I says, yes, I do. So, Drew and Andy Kraus in North Carolina sent me an All Star a while back to have the webbing redone the webbing. And I told him, says, hey, I got you on the relace if you can, uh, get me an All Star. My All Stars are new. I don't really want to relace them yet, so I says, you know what? Send me your All Star after season's over and everything, and we'll go ahead and get you worked up. So this is the first portion of this is going to be the hinge part of the All Star glove. So without further ado, let's get started. So your first step is to go through the bottom and don't go and just go right in the middle. Okay? Right through the middle. Leave you some access because they're gonna have when you unlace it. When you unlace them, they're gonna have a knot tied through here, and they got knots tied in weird places. So that's just the way All Star makes them. So leave you enough access through here. So I would leave a couple inches. I would say at least 3. So now next step, we're gonna go through this hole. We're going through the palm area. Okay, we're coming out the bottom hole right there. Oh, make sure we can get that covered there. Right there. That's where we're coming out at. Through the middle part right there. Out that first bottom hole on this side right here. Make sure your lace is straight when you pull it through. Okay. It's good. There we go. Alright. Now, going back through, we're going to keep your lace reversed. You're not going to go keep it reversed. Go in that top hole in the palm area. Right here. Coming out. Now, what we're doing now is we're coming up and through there. So we're coming. So I can get that in the shot. Right there. Top hole. Through the middle. Coming out the same hole we just went in just a second ago. Now you want rough side facing on the palm area, so make sure you keep your leg straight. See if I can, there we go. There we go, pull it through. This is what you're gonna have so far. Here's your rough side right there, okay? All right, got a cinch. Right from here, going very top hole on the hinge, right here. We're coming through the palm and out. Get it flat enough for you. This hole right here, okay? Keep your lace straight, right there. Coming out the back through the palm, right here, okay? All right, through there. Sure it's straight when you pull it. Boom. There you go. That's what you got so far, okay? That's what you have so far. All right. Give your lace a little twist. Keep it rough side. Keep it rough side right there, okay? Alright. Now, we're going through this hole. We're not going all the way through yet. We're coming all the way through. We're not going all the way through the glove. Coming down through the middle. So don't go through the padding. Don't come through here anywhere. Going here. And we're going under the glove. Just like that. Okay? Alright. Make sure I get it straight. I hope I did. Think so. Yes. I did. Alright. Give it a good cinch. That's what you got right there. Alright. Flip it over. Alright. Now, coming up through the bottom, middle, right there. Okay. There we go. Alright. Middle section. Middle hole. Flip it. We're going on the bottom side. We're going to hit that hole right there on the very bottom. It's going to come out the bottom, not the top, the bottom, right there. Middle part of the hinge, right here. Coming out that bottom hole right there. Keep it straight. Go. Let me go under there. Sorry about that. There we go. Pull it through. There it is. Just like that. There we go. That's what you got so far. Now we're going back in the top hole, rough side. Keep it rough side. Rough side right there. Twist my needle the way I keep it straight. There we go. Back through. Going in that same hole we just came out. Gonna have to angle it up in there. Go. I'll get that in a shot for you, hopefully. If not, take a peek. And I ain't. Just take a peek in there. And you'll see it going right in where that one we just came through. There it is, just like that. Okay. Through that top hole, out that same hole right there. And I believe I twisted it. It's okay. Yes. Oops. Sorry about that, folks. I twisted my lace and pull that out off camera. Sorry about that. Keep your lace straight. So, like I said, go in the top hole, in right here. If you have to, flip it and get it. There it is, right there. It's right here on the hole we just came out, or we just went in. There it is. Hopefully I got it right this time. And I should. Let me make sure. Make sure I got it right. There we go. Now I do. There we go. Making sure. You don't, you're gonna have issues. Alright. There we go. That's what you got so far. Right there. Now, through the top. Sorry about that. Top here, hole. You got to take a peek. You're going right on, yep, right on top of that next hole. Coming out. If I get it through there. There we are. As you can see, we're going in the same hole right there. Actually, no, you're not going through that one. Sorry. Trying to get it through there is kind of tough. What you want to do, give it a peek. You're trying to come in right beside that hole there. You don't want it to these catcher mitts are, there's some funny angles on them, I'm telling you. Really got some funny angles. Okay. So through that, it's been a pain in the butt. It's all right, we'll get it. There we go, right there. You want to come through right there. Go through the top. Make sure it's straight when you pull it through. Through the top and out this hole right on top right there. Okay. Go. There it is, right there. Alright, getting towards the end here. We'll give it a little twist. Okay. Whichever way it goes easiest. Alright, there we go. Alright, left side. Alright, now, right here, going in, we are going out the top. Out the top hinge. Found it. Right there. It's at an angle, so you gotta make sure your lace is straight, stuff like that. Make sure it's straight when you pull it. Okay, so we went in that hole there. If I can get that in the light, right there. Coming out that hole right there. Okay. Alright. Give it a good tug. You don't have to cinch it too awful tight. There we go. Go. See what we look like. Looks good. Alright. It's nice and flat. We'll take a mitt mallet, beat that down. Now, here's our last couple holes we're going to come out right up under the thumb loop. Alright. Going down. Flip it over. We're going to hit the top one. There it is. I'll show it to you just a second. There it is right there. See? We're hitting the top hole up under the thumb loop. Right here. Okay? So now, pull it through the palm area. Let me get that. Straighten my camera up here. There we go. Alright. There it is. Come out through that hole there. There we go. Nice and snug. Alright. Now we're going through bottom hole right there, through the bottom hole. I'll get this in the shot for you. Okay. There it is. Oh, trying to get it through there. There we go. Sometimes you gotta take a peek on that, on the what you call it, pulling it through there. You gotta take a peek because there's two laces going through there. Bum side right here. Make sure it's straight. You don't want to pull that back out like I had to do a few minutes ago. Make sure it's straight. You want what you want to do on the palm side when you're going in, you want to have the smooth sides facing each other when you're going through these palm areas to show the rough side. Okay, pulling it through right there, going right beside that one. There you go. That's what you got right there. Went through that bottom one. Snug it just a little bit more. Flip it. Last but not least, going through this hole. We're not going through the mitt. We're just coming right out the middle. Right through there. Boom. Right there. Your hinge is done. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, how All Star does it, is they tie a knot. They tie a little knot right in the center of it. Just gonna double knot it. See? They tie it, and then we're gonna tie it one more time. Just like a square knot. That's what I'm gonna do anyway. And it's weird how they do it, but that's how they do it. Tuck it in, and it stays tucked in, which is pretty amazing. Tuck it in right there, right there. And when other laces come through there, it won't be in the way. It'll just come through, and when other laces come through here for the perimeter. So that's how All Star does it. So you ain't gotta tie a great big knot. Try to get it as tight as you can. That way that knot ain't protruding right there at the hinge. There we go. And there is your hinge right there on an All Star catcher's mitt. If anybody has any questions about this video, leave a comment down below. This is Kurt Rice at Kurt Rice Baseball. Y'all have a blessed day.